Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be making the biggest damn hamburger I've ever seen in my life. Look at the size of this bun. When my nephew saw it, he said, dude, that's a Texas slider. I don't know what it is, but it's going to be about a 6-pound burger. It'll feed 4 people. So we've got this big hamburger bun. We've got all of this ground meat. We got some onions, got some jalapeno peppers, got some tomatoes. Going to spice this up. We're going to get it on the Blackstone. This is going to be a fantastic burger if I'm able to pull it off. I baked this bun myself, and if you want to know how I did it, it's not hard. It's actually pretty easy. It just takes a little bit of time. Let me know down in the comments section and that you want me to do a video on how to make it. I'll make a video on how to make this bun. I mean, it's huge. Look at it. While you're down there, I'd appreciate it if you'd go ahead and hit the like button. So let's go get the Blackstone on. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do here is get my meat on. Smash this baby out. Make a Smashburger on this baby. All right. Give it a little bit of oil on here. Get an onion. And a jalapeno on here. And those onions already smell good. Well, this will be a good burger.
Okay.
These onions are looking good. I gotta turn it over without breaking it. That's the start. Now we're gonna get a bun on here. We put a little mayo on our bun. There we go. Shouldn't take too long for these buns. Oh yeah, these buns are ready. Look at that toasted bun. Yeah, buddy. Put a little bit of chupacabra rub on here. Chupacabra on this one. Now we're going to put our cheese on here. I've got some Swiss. And I've got some pepper jack. We're going to put on here. Grill this thing. Alright. And look at that. Now. Put these on there. Onions. And turn these off. We'll go in and finish setting this baby up. Okay, we're going to finish building our burger. So I'm going to put some tomatoes on here. Got some fresh sliced tomatoes. Just going to hook it up. Man, this smells good. Yeah, let's get some of these good old tomatoes on here. There we go. Now we're going to put some pickles on here. Got some hamburger deals. Just gonna, man, ain't nothing like a good homemade hamburger, I can tell you. Nothing beats a good hamburger. Just gonna put plenty of these garnishments on it. A couple more. Can't have too many pickles and tomatoes on your hamburger. All right, now we're going to put on our grilled jalapenos. Let's get these on there like that. Okay, let's get our top on it. We already used some mayo on to grill it. So let me just cut this. Oh man, this is going to be some good eating right here. Turn this around. We're going to cut this in fourths. This should be a half-pound burger each. I want you to look at that burger. So, before I tear into it, again, if you want me to do a video on how to make this bun, just let me know. This is a great bun. It's not hard to make, just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, and you can make it. So, and you know, I'm gonna have to dig into this. Oh shit, that's good. That is good. Got one of them jalapeno peppers too. I want to thank everybody for stopping by and watching my video. I want to send a special thanks out to all my subscribers. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in law enforcement and all of our first responders. And I want to send a really special thanks out to all of our men and women serving in the military and all of our veterans. Thank you very much.